Welcome to the C programming lecture series, and in this tutorial we are going to discuss about nested if. What is nested if? Nested if is if there is an if statement and this is the block of this if statement. By this block I mean if this condition is true, I am going to execute these particular lines of code which are in this block. Or I have an else statement of this. I have an else part of this in which I am going to execute the lines of code if the condition is above in this if statement is false. If this is false, then I am going to execute this else. If this condition is true, then further at this true condition I may be using again if to check any other condition, but after this condition is true I may be internally using another if block, another if condition, but this if condition is to be checked when this particular condition is true, or I can have else with it also. Similarly, in else part, if this is not true in this else, further I may have some other condition which might be checked when the above condition is false. I mean when I am in else part. So this if statement, it can also have else also. This if else should be executed when the above if condition is false. So it comes in this else part. And in this else part, it is executed internally. That means I am using nested if or nested if else statement. Now I am going to build up a program which illustrates our nested if else statement. Okay, nested if statement. So this is my program that I have written here. This is a simple program. If gender is equal to male, then I have to say you are eligible. Else, if gender is not equal to male, it is female. You are not eligible. Okay. Now the thing is that I want to use multiple if. Suppose if gender is equal to male, I am eligible. Yes. Okay. But if gender is equal to female, but if I am writing here if gender is equal to female, you are not eligible. But I don't want to mention here not eligible. I want to mention one more condition. If gender is equal to male but age is greater than 18, then you are also eligible. Okay. So I am using if statement again. uh, in the beginning I was mentioning that if gender is equal to female, I mean else, so it was not eligible, but now I am making her eligible on certain condition. So I am using again a condition if, in which I will check whether she is greater than 18. If she is greater than 18, I will make her also eligible. If age is greater than 18, then in that case I will make her eligible. Printf you are eligible. Else you are not eligible. Okay. If she is female, yes, but if she is also greater than 18, then she is eligible, else she is not eligible. First I was telling she is not totally eligible. Now I am telling if she is greater than 18, she is eligible, make her eligible, else she is not eligible. Now I am using under this else part, I am using again if else statement. So I am using multiple, I am using nested. This if is nested within this else statement. It can also be multiple lines of statement here, like else if ladder. We can use also else if ladder inside this. Okay, if we have conditions like that, we are using else if ladder, so we can use else if ladder in this. Similarly, we can also mention here, we can also make a nested statement in above if on true condition. So I can write here if, same thing I will write here, but I will write if age is greater than, at least he should be greater than 16. If age is greater than 16, if it is male, if gender is male, also if age is greater than, if gender is male, so I will enter into this block, but in this block further I want to check if it is greater than, if the age is greater than 16. So after entering into this block I am using again if statement. So I am using if So I am using if within if. That is called nested if statement. And else is also used with this if. So I am using if else as nested within this if statement or within this else statement. I can also have if else ladder within this. Okay, fine. I will run this program. Enter your gender if it is male. Okay, enter your age if it is 15. You are not eligible. This time it is male, but it is 15, so it is not eligible because male should also be greater than 16. Okay, so similar is the case in the female. We can, if I have a gender is equal to female and age is greater than 18, it will go into the eligible case. Else, if it is female but it is not greater than age is not greater than 18, it will go into the not eligible case. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel Indus Technologies. Thank you.